Got a question here about scholarships, law school scholarships. What's more impactful in getting a scholarship? Is it the GPA or the LSAT? Typically, for law schools, they weigh the LSAT score more heavily than the GPA. And so, for that reason, your LSAT score will be a bigger determining factor. Now, specifically how they weigh and how they interact, I can't really speak to that. It varies from law school to law school. If you go on LSAC's website, there is a calculator that's the LSAT GPA calculator. And so if you kind of input different LSAT scores and different GPAs on there, it'll kind of give you a sense of your chances at various law schools. You can see all the data on which law schools have particular medians. So let's say obviously a top 14 law school or a top 5 law school, their median LSAT score will typically be in the high 160s or low 170s. And the GPAs, of course, will be close to 3.8 or 4.0. But specifically, which matters more, I couldn't say. Obviously, at this point, your GPA is probably more fixed than your LSAT score is. And so the LSAT is where you're going to get the most bang for your buck in terms of focusing. Because even 1 point more on the LSAT could mean another $4,000 in value in getting scholarships, you're getting into a better law school. And so the ROI on getting that now, when you're just starting law school, how that scales over the course of your entire legal career is huge. So definitely worth boosting up the LSAT score. I would treat it as if it were maybe a 6 credit class or as if it were a part-time job, 10, 15, 20 hours per week.